morning students. Welcome to your computer class. Beta, we have started our chapter number 3. In previous lecture we have done that how we can create query, how we can save query and how we can use the more options in the query. For example, criteria area. We are using criteria area in the four ways and we have done that thing. Today we will do that how we can delete field, more features in query. One is how we can delete field, how we can save the field, how we can rename the field, these all things. And the more thing, how we can create a report in a MS Access. We will do these all things with the help of a practical. Let's start our practical.
Sorting data in a query. Sorting can be very important in the queries. You may want to see the dance forms in which the students are participating and would like them to be arranged in an alphabetical order. You have to sort the records to order them in the answer to a particular query. The field of fields on which the records are sorted is called the sort key. If you're sorting on more than one field, the more important field is called the major key, also called the primary sort key, and the less important field is called the minor key, also called the secondary sort key. Let us find the dance forms in which students are participating in alphabetical order. Click on the sort area for the field you want to use to sort the results of your query. A drop-down arrow button appears. Click on the drop-down arrow button. Click the way you want to sort: ascending, descending, not sorted. Click on Run button. The records appear in the order you specified. In this example, the dance is sorted in ascending order. Repeat steps 1 to 3, selecting Not Sorted in step 3 if you do not want to use a field to sort the query results any longer. Deleting a field in a query. You can delete an unwanted field from your query. Deleting a field from a query does not delete the field from the table you used to create the query. Position the mouse directly above the field you want to delete. Mouse pointer changes to down arrow. Click to select the field. Click on Delete Columns. The field disappears from your query. Hiding a field in a query. You can hide a field without removing it from the query grid. Deselect the checkbox for the field you want to hide in the Show row of query grid. Click on Run. The datasheet opens, showing the query results. The field you hide does not appear. Creating simple report using Report tool. You can create a simple report using Report tool as it generates a report immediately without prompting you for information. The report displays all the fields from the underlying table. You can save the report and modify it in Layout View or Design View so that it better serves your purpose. Click on the table or query on which you want to base the report from the navigation pane. Click on Create tab. Click on Report from Reports group. Access builds the report and displays it in Layout View. After viewing the report, you can save it and then close both the report and underlying table that you used as a record source. As per the project, final report of the database is made. Finish. Creating a blank report. Blank report is a very quick way to build a report if you want to put only a few fields on your report. Click on Create tab. Click on Blank Report from Reports group. A blank report is displayed in the Layout view and the field list pane is displayed on the right side of the Access window. Click on Show All Tables. In the field list pane, click on the plus sign that precedes the table name, the fields of which you want to see on the report. Drag each field onto the report one at a time or hold down Ctrl key and select several fields and then drag them onto the report at the same time. After dragging all the fields, you can use the tools in the Controls group on the Format tab to add a logo, title, page numbers or the date and time to the report.